thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. I am your host, Eric, on Eric's weather forecast. Today, we're going to be talking about a severe weather event that is going to be breaking out in the Midwest. I am very glad to be here. So we're going to be talking about some serious stuff that's going to be breaking out in the Midwest. We're not just going to be dealing with showers and thunderstorms. We're even going to be dealing with tornadoes, as a matter of fact. I looked over some models, some reports, and it looks like it's going to be a busy one, and I'm going to actually go over it with you right now and let you know what to expect. And we also will have that risk of severe weather as well. We are also included in this. So I just want to tell you, the severe weather is not today, but it is actually going to be on Wednesday when we can see showers and thunderstorms come severe with damaging winds. So I think for the most part, my concern at this point for Michigan, once again, is going to be the damaging winds. And I will keep an eye on the tornado threat. But I'll talk more about the tornado threat later and what we may be dealing with. But I think more of a concern that I'm predicting is more of a damaging wind threat for Southeast Michigan. Once again, I will let you know if any of those updates do change within the forecast. So you gotta keep it here because there's gonna be a lot of action going on, and I am looking it up right now. I don't really have a graphic to show you at this point, but when I come back in the second live stream, I will have a graphic of where all the stuff is going to be developing. I'm going to actually tell you it's going to be in the Midwest, so I'm going to go ahead and go over severe weather categories, so that way that breaks that part down, and I'm going to do as much as I can for you for this live stream, just to give you guys a little bit of a heads up of what to expect, and then we'll go from there. I have all of my details on my other device here, so we're going to go ahead and break this down right now. As a matter of fact, I'm going to see if I can get this. Oh, perfect. Okay, so for the most part, Michigan, we don't really have to worry about, I'm sorry about that. For the most part, Michigan, we don't have to worry about any severe weather today. That's actually a plus right there. Today it's actually very, very nice outside. Get outside, maybe go for a walk, maybe take a walk up to the store or something if you have a nearby store or something. It's actually a really good idea. You could actually go out and get some fresh air. It probably would do you some good. Maybe take your kids to the dollar store or something like that, since that it is a very nice day, once again in Michigan. But we're going to be telling you all these changes that are going to be happening. So these are the severe weather threats categories of what we will be predicting. So I can tell you the categories that are going to be a big troubling concern for us that I am currently watching very closely. So I'm just saying, keep your heads up, and I'll have a lot more information once these storms get started. We'll talk about all of this activity in just a couple of moments. So for severe categories, we will be having category, so far for today's severe outlook that you can see on the screen right now. Severe weather categories that will be presented for today at this time will be Category 1, marginal risk of severe weather, and that would be in the green. For marginal risk is Category 1. Category 2, slight risk of severe weather. Actually, I want to talk about that. There's going to be a big, large area of concern. There is going to be a big, large area of slight risk of severe weather, and that slight risk of severe weather is category number 2. So the slight risk is going to be a problem, and then we are also going to have category 3, which is enhanced risk of severe weather. That is in orange. And then at category 4, moderate risk of severe weather. So we've got a lot of action, a lot of concern today, and yes, I can't emphasize this enough. Tornadoes are not out of the question for the areas that are in the target zone today for severe weather. Please be prepared for the worst to come. There are going to be tornadoes. There's going to be damaging winds. There's going to be lightning. There's going to be hail. There's going to be a whole bunch of things that are going to be taking shape here. So I am staying on top of this. I'm sure a lot of people are watching. So like I said before, there is going to be a large area of slight risk of severe weather, but we are not just dealing with 1 or 2 categories of severe weather. We are going through category 1 to category... Hold on one second. I was trying to say this and I know I'm correct. So we are going to be dealing with severe weather category 1 through category 4. So once again, we're going to be dealing with category 1, marginal risk of severe weather, slight risk of severe weather, enhanced risk of severe weather, and moderate risk of severe weather. So there's actually, I looked at the outlook today, and I can tell you, when I looked at the predictions, there's actually a couple of spots that are going to be seeing enhanced risk of severe weather. So I just want to give you a heads up. Just be prepared. Make sure that you have all the necessary stuff that you're going to need, and power outages are also going to be a problem as well. So like I said, you guys, when we're dealing with severe weather, it's no joke at all. This is a very, very, very serious storm that we're dealing with here. And like I said, right in the beginning of the show here, I had told you that we would be dealing with a big area of slight risk of severe weather, and there are some spots that will have a small area of enhanced risk of severe weather, and that also includes the moderate risk. So we'll just have to really keep a very close eye on this, because I'm very concerned about these storms today, ladies and gentlemen. I have told you, I have been watching this since last night and looked over models and things like that, and now we're just waiting for all the action to begin. So once that we start getting the watches and the warnings and stuff, then we pretty much know that that is in the phase here. So please make sure that you stay tuned with us throughout the day today, you guys. I will have the latest live coverage for you, and updates and much more. And then we will also talk about what the Great Lakes and Southeast Michigan and we'll be dealing with as far as severe weather is concerned. So for the most part, for Michigan, enjoy this nice, wonderful spring weather that we're having. We've got a lot of sunshine outside today, a very, very nice breeze outside, and the temperature right now, depending on where you are, the temperature right now is 61 degrees and sunny skies right now. It is absolutely beautiful outside, so if you get the chance, go out there and enjoy it. Sit down on the patio or whatever you'd like to do, or go for a walk, or, you know, do something fun today while we've got this nice weather going on here. So things are going to be quiet for us here in Michigan for today, but as we go into the later parts of Wednesday, that's all going to change. So strong to severe weather will be expected for us here in Michigan, and like I said, I will have the very latest on that situation tonight, because I don't want to really give out too many updates on what we might be encountered for as far as severe weather goes tomorrow, because chances are things may change. That's my very latest prediction on that. So I will have another live stream tonight at 5 o'clock tonight. I'll have a live stream then, and another live stream at 7 p.m. again tonight with further details on what we'll be expecting. So most definitely, once that we start breaking out with the severe weather here in Michigan, there will be live streaming tomorrow. There will be live streaming all day tomorrow due to the fact that we'll be dealing with this severe weather event ourselves, along with the severe weather event going on today in the Midwest. So there's going to be a lot of action today, and as I can see right now, there are showers and thunderstorms developing in the Midwest, so you guys know what that means. There's actually some rain that was actually developing earlier. That's nothing severe, but there was some rain that you can see on the radar there that continues to try to develop, and then behind that rain are the showers and storms, and that's exactly what we've been talking about. So as we go into the later parts of the day, showers and thunderstorms will continue to develop, and they are going to be quite powerful storms. So kind of stay tuned for the very latest, and I'll have another update throughout the day. I might even have short live streams throughout the day today if I happen to see any change of severe weather patterns or anything else that could be another problem for us here in Michigan. So you have the very latest from me at this time, and I will have another live stream update for you this afternoon at 3:45, 5 o'clock, and 7 o'clock, and then from that point on, I will continue to track this, and I'll let you know how bad and how impacted we're going to be with the severe weather for Michigan. Thank you so much for watching Eric's weather forecast, and I'll see you guys again this afternoon at 3:15 with a live update on the severe weather potential in the Midwest. Stay tuned for more. We'll see you again this afternoon at 3:45.
You